Hello all, welcome to Value Trace channel. So it's been quite a long time that I have posted any video on YouTube. My inconsistency was because I was actually busy in my own personal works. There were a few personal and important works that I had to attend, because of which I couldn't make any video. And going further, probably from the month of the June, you can expect regular videos to be coming up on this channel. Till the end of May, I can say that I'm actually busy with my personal stuff. So once I'm done with that, I'll surely be consistent with my videos that I'll be posting on YouTube. So before we actually head into the markets, I want to take just a minute to congratulate our entire Indian army. Without them, we couldn't have been sleeping this happily, eating this happily, and be so feeling so safe and secure with our loved ones. So whatever that we are feeling safe and secure and happiness, it is all coming from the great sacrifices that have been done by the Indian army. And we are all truly how should I say, we are indebted to their sacrifices and to their bravery. So let's get into the video. Now I just wanted to post this video. In fact, I didn't want to post any video. I wanted to start it right away from the month of the June, but as that there is a very beautiful opportunity that is coming by, I just wanted to share that with you. So here you can see that as the way that it is, always our curriculum goes this way. This is 1 day chart, this is 1 week chart, and this is 1 month chart. Okay. So there is a very beautiful opportunity that is coming by, and I thought it would be really helpful for you guys to be able to pick it up and use this as an opportunity. So today, whatever the rally that is made, I understand that it has come because of the initial gap up. जो initial gap up हुआ था, this initial gap up happened because of the you can say largely because of the ceasefire agreement, and the next rally happened because of the news that has come out because of the US China deal जो भी हुआ, ठीक है. And it is just that मतलब they have cut few of the trade tariffs, and still there is a pause on it for the coming 90 days. It is not like situations have come back to the normalcy. And usually these kind of patterns, okay, usually I don't really dive much into the news, but rather, as you are all aware, that I'm more of into the technical analysis. So usually these kind of rallies, they do not sustain, and they actually speak a lot about it. And I want to share with you certain occasions on which this has happened and how the things have unfolded later on. So let me take you here. Oh, the gift nifty is already showing a gap down of 200 points. Okay, nice it is. Okay, so let me take you to the day level. Here you can see that in the historically, whenever such rallies were made, okay, here you can see a rally, right? This is a day level candle. After a strong rally, it came out with a gap up, and it has consolidated for 1, 2 and 3 days, eventually only to fill the gap completely. Okay, next, let me remove this and take you to the next one. Here again, whenever this rally has happened, which is of 600 points, and here it was 1000 points, okay, in the next day, next few days, the market has completely backed off and completely has eaten away all the rally that it has made till then, as you can see it very clearly. Okay, and again this rally which happened, even in this rally, after making a significant move of 766 points and after filling this gap, the market eventually gave up all its rally and eventually only to create a new low. So these kind of things usually come out in the market whenever such moves happen so rapidly and so fastly. We shouldn't be misinterpreting that there is something miraculous that has happened in the market, and I don't find any reason for which the market can go here. Okay, we are no one to question the market, but there is no strong reason for the market apart from the euphoria that the market could reach these places. No one knows if the market can really break these levels and go to 26,000 and break all-time highs. Market can do anything. Okay, but usually these kind of moves do not sustain. They have to come back with a strong retracement. Only after a retracement, they usually tend to make another move. So even if it has to go further, usually they come back and try to fill these gaps, this one and this one, and they might come and fill these gaps and further make a rally. without actually filling these gaps, it is highly unlikely that the markets would actually just keep going further. This is my view. Okay, and I have given you these examples as well. Here you can see it very clearly, right? On all these occasions, here as well. Whenever the market has made 800 points of rally, look what has happened immediately in the next 1, 2, 3 days. Okay, entire rally is taken out and a new low is created. So this is how usually market does the stuff at a technical level. So now let us try understanding what is happening at a day level, week level and a month level. So here you can see that. Let me first make the day level a bigger one. Okay. So at a day level, you can see that if you actually connect these two established highs, this one and this one, okay, if you actually connect these two highs, there is another high that has to be touched, which happens to be at 25,045, okay, which is somewhere near and around 25,045. After this third touch, eventually the market might see a very strong movement towards the downside. So this is at a day level. Now let me move to the week level. Apparently even on the week level, the things are appearing to be the same, wherein if you connect this 1 and 2, the third is coming out to be here, wherein this week is yet to be completed and the third touch is likely to happen at the same place again, which is at 25,046 and 45. So that is where the third touch is likely to happen. So now let's move to the monthly level. This is a monthly chart, and even on the monthly chart, if you actually connect the previous two highs, okay, this high and this high, the third touch is likely to happen somewhere at the same price range again, which is at 25,039. Okay, so this 25,050, which appears to be a very strong third touch, which is happening not just at a month level. Remember, it is happening at not just at month level, but also at week level and also at a day level. So at all these crucial points, the market is likely to make the third touch. So now, whenever these kind of situations arise, okay, you can actually, an individual can actually plan that what the market can likely do going further. Okay, let's analyze what the best scenario that we can do going further. Okay, so I am without touching this level. Okay, if this is only for tomorrow this is 25,045, and if one day passes, remember, for the next day the third touch is likely to happen at this place, which is at 25,120. Okay, so it is either happening on Tuesday or on Wednesday. If it is for Wednesday, it is at 120. Do remember this. Okay, now for such scenarios, usually the market tends to fill this gap which is available here. Let's draw the gap. So the gap that it is likely to fill is on a minimum scale, it is 24,164. Actually, if you change it to 5-minute, the gap is likely somewhere at 24,000. Okay, so even if we target 24,164, probably I can only suggest you the way that I plan the trade, and the rest is something that you can plan for yourself. You see, usually these kind of trades, there are certain things which can happen. First, after the third touch happens, the market on Tuesday and on Wednesday and on Thursday, it might remain on a sideways, and the big movement can happen for the next week expiry. This is possibility number 1. Next, the other possibility is this gap might be entirely filled this week expiry by Thursday. Okay, so we have to plan accordingly, wherein this is likely to happen this Thursday by this expiry, or before the next expiry. So if that has to be understood, and if that much is understood, then we can plan and our trades accordingly. Okay, let's go to the trading section, wherein this is for the 15th May of 24,700 that I would like to choose. And as far as this 24,700 is concerned, as you are all seen just now, wherein the gap that is available is till 24,164. Even if you pick 24,700, let's suppose say that the market completely fills this gap by this expiry. Okay, the available target is 548 points for 24,700. Okay, let me show that to you very clearly again so that you don't get confused. So this is at let me just correct it a bit. Yeah, so this is 540 points. because I am calculating from 24,700 to 24,164, which turns out to be 540 points. Okay, so now keeping that into perspective, maybe tomorrow I am likely to purchase it if it touches the price of 66 rupees. Okay, so if 66 rupees is triggered, I might think of picking up 24,700, either one or two lots according to the capital that is available, because even on one two lots, imagine the target is very far away. Okay, the first thing. And second thing, even if the market tends to become sideways, let's suppose that the market tends to become sideways, even then I'm expecting the market to come out to touch this much, which is 24,600, and then become sideways. This is my expectation. There is nothing necessary that this has to happen, but this is my expectation. Okay, even if the market goes sideways, it can go sideways by coming till 24,589, which was previous high, which it has recently broken today. Okay, so that is the reason for which I am interested to pick 24,700. Okay, once 24,700 is picked, so इसका जो target है, this target is 540 as we have seen over there, which happens to be this one, 536. Till this point, it can make a move, and even on two lots, it is a very good money that can be made, right? So we can actually capture more or less from here to here, which is almost 475 points to 450 points. Even if you are assuming 450 points, even for two lots, this is how I plan. The rest is your choice that how you can plan. Okay, even if it is for 475 points that you are able to target, let's suppose that I have picked two lots over here. One lot I might target entire thing, which is 475 into 75. That gives me a profit of 35,000 on a single lot. And on the other lot, okay, wherein I might think of booking what is the first thing that comes to my mind is what is the investment that is going inside it if I go wrong. So I'm picking it at a price of 66 rupees, right? 66 rupees into 150. So my entire investment that is going into both the lots included is 10,000. So the moment that it becomes 100 rupees, wherein somewhere at 160 or 170, if it comes to 160 to 170, I will surely book one lot, so that my entire capital is saved, and whatever that it is the rest available, it is completely for profit booking. I don't have to be really worried much, even if it eventually becomes zero. Okay, this is how I am planning, and the rest you can plan according to your conveniences. Okay, so this is a little video that I wanted to update, and so remember, do not try to, as the way that it is showing now, the gift nifty is actually strongly coming down. Okay, it is showing for this moment, it is showing almost a gap down of 150 points, and if this is happening, do not trust the market unless it comes to 25,050. Okay, this 25,050 has to come, and you can only, I would only rather wish to make the trades only if it comes to 25,050. Till the market doesn't touch this 25,050, I am not interested to make any trade. Okay, it has to come to 25,050, and only after 25,050 I will be initiating my trades, otherwise which I am not interested to take the trade onto the downside. Okay, hope this video helps you guys, and I will not be available from tomorrow. Tomorrow night I am leaving to Bangalore, as you are all aware that I am situated in Hyderabad, and so I will be catching up with you guys only in the month of June. Right from the month of first day of June, you will be able to see regular update on the YouTube. Okay, thank you so much guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.